This is the remake NXi IV, another name for technology simplified. This double-sided rotary tablet press has features like interchangeable recompression and main compression rollers, dual hoppers and discharge outlets, easily removable discharge casing assemblies and feeder, a centrally driven turret mechanism which runs on a high-torque gear motor combination, force monitoring load cells, servo motors coupled with PLC analysis and feedback enable high-speed data acquisition and control, along with other smart design integrations like single tablet rejection, faulty punch detection, quick changeovers, easy to use, maximum output, makes for a modular, robust and clean machine. NXi IV, brought to you by none other than IRM's Pharma Machinery Division, touching lives through innovation.